Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one, Bob is a bad. Correct. He's not careful. Number two, Jennifer likes. Yes, all of them. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. You are a good driver. You are a good driver. Driver. It comes from the verb to drive a car. Now we can make a flashcard for driver. Please make a card like this. Write driver up here in the top left corner. D-R-I-V-E-R. Down here in this corner, P-E-O 1. This means people, level 1. And over here the number 12 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like I. Dry. Driver. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. All of my friends like movies. All of my friends like movies. All of my friends. This means every friend that you have likes movies. Now we can make a flashcard for all. And you don't have to say of. All my friends is also correct. Similarly, all of the people is correct. And all the people is also correct. But when we use them, you must say of. All of them. Please make a card like this. Write all up here in the top left corner. A-L-L. Of is in brackets. This means it's optional. If you say it, it's correct. If you don't say it, it's also correct. Down here, GW1. This means grammar, word, level 1. And over here, the number 7 out of 135. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. All. Game over. You did very well today. Are you a good driver? Yes, I am. Very good. And Jennifer likes? All of them. That's right. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Can you say number 1? Correct. Space. Yeah, this could mean extra room, but it's also the area near the moon and the sun. Number 2, be average. Yeah, this means not good and not bad, in the middle. Number 3 I have here. Can you see these? Nail clippers with an L. Correct. Today is Sunday, August 3rd. If you are new, Welcome! This is a complete 2-year course. Our schedule is rotating. You can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. How do you say good driver in your language? Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.